Hi everyone. In this session, 99.9% people make mistakes in the first question itself. So, here is the first question, which is slightly twisted, curled, but it's super duper easy. So, let's see how you're going to answer that question. The question says, how many minutes are there in 2h hours and 6m minutes? So here there are 4 choices given to you. You can pause the video, try it yourself, and then check out the answer. Yes, in this question, 99.9% people make mistakes. Thinking the flaws is they think that this h stands for hours, but it is actually a variable. So when we're going to solve this, it is 2h hours are, there are 2h times 60 minutes in 2h hours. That's what it represents. And there are 6m minutes more. So we have 2h times 60, that is 120h. And you have 6m minutes more, so there are 120h plus 6m minutes in 2h hours and 6m minutes. So that's your answer, B. So hopefully it does not mean hours, it is just a variable. So where the people make mistake is considering it as hours and they choose the wrong answer. Here it stands for only the variable h, and that's the part which is twisted in this. That's it, nothing else. So the answer is 120h plus 6m minutes in 2h hours and 6m minutes. That's it. Okay, let's see if you can answer question number 8. What is there on our screens? It says, first you have to add 5 to a number n, all right, then divide by 8, then subtract by 1, then multiply by 8. When the sequence of operations above has been completed in order, which of the following is an expression for the statement above? So the resulting statement will be in this form where you have been given 4 choices. So you can try this out and check out your answers. So let us try this one. So first of all, add 5 to a number n. So I have a number n and I'm adding that 5 to the number n. That's it. Second step, divide by 8. So I'm going to divide this by 8. Okay, then subtract by 1. So I'm going to subtract this by 1 and then multiply by 8. So that's it. I'm going to multiply this whole thing by 8 and I've got an expression. So let me solve this expression to get the resultant answer. So that would be n plus 5 minus 8 divided by 8, and this 8 multiplied, that gets cancelled out. So you have n plus 5 minus 8, that equals to n minus 3, and your answer is C. That's your option C. Okay. Let's see if you can answer question number 9. Question number 9 here says, which of the following expressions is equivalent to 2y minus x minus 2 multiplied by y minus 2z minus 4 times x plus z? So you have been given 4 options, so you can try this out. So let's see what you have to do in this. Just expand the expression or use distributive property to multiply the numbers outside in the parenthesis. So let us open up the brackets. That's 2y minus x minus 2y minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4z minus 4x and minus 4z. Now let us find out what else we have. 2y minus 2y gets cancelled out. 4z minus 4z gets cancelled out, so you have minus x minus 4x left with you. So you're just going to add that. That's minus 5x, and your answer is B. That's negative 5x. So simple. So you just have to answer it in one step. That's it. Okay, now this is also super simple. If x is equal to 10, what is the value of x over 2 plus x over 20 plus x over 200? So we are going to solve this. Just put the 10 in place of x, and we're going to solve that. That's 10 over 2 plus 10 over 20 plus 10 over 200. And 10 over 2 is just 5. 2 times 5 is 10, so you have 5. And then you have 0, 0 cancel out. 1 over 2 is 0.5 plus 1 over 20, it's 0.05. And when you add up all of them, you have 5.55, and that's your answer. Simple. Okay. Let's try out another question. So question number 11 on your screens. Question number 11 says, if x and y are positive integers and 2x plus 5y equals 18, what is the value of x? So you can try this out and then let me know. So what are we going to do first in this? We are going to choose the first few positive integers of x and make substitution for the given equation. Like, so you can even construct a table and write down for that or something like that. Or you can just use trial and error method. Like you have some values for x and you can check it for y. So if x is 1, 2, 3, and 4, so you can check the values for y. Is it an integer or not? Is it an integer or not? Is it an integer or not? So when you put 1 in place of x, you get 2 plus 5y equals to 18, and when the result is not an integer, sorry. Here also when you put 2, that's 4 plus 5y equals to 18. 18 minus 4 divided by 5, not an integer. Sorry. For third one, when you put on 3 times 2 is 6. So you have 18 minus 6 divided by 5, again not an integer. So when you're going to put a 4 in that, that's 2 times 4 plus 5y equals to 18. And you have 5y equals to 18 minus 8, and that's equal to 10 divided by 5, that's equal to 2, and so you have the answer of 2, and it's an integer. So only the value which satisfies is 4 and 2. So your x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Right. Okay, let's see if we can answer question number 12. Question number 12 here says, if a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 2, what is the value of 7 minus an expression given to you? So let us substitute back all the values in that. That's 7 minus a is 3 minus 12 divided by 2 minus of minus 1 over c is negative 2 plus 3. So we are going to solve for that. 7 minus 3 minus 12. So I'm going to write that down. 3 minus 12 divided by, you have 12 plus, 2 plus 1, that's 3, over 3 minus 2 is 1. So again, I'm going to have, now I'm going to divide that first. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So I'm going to write 3 minus 4 divided by 1. So I have 7 minus of 3 minus 4 is minus 1. That's it. 7 plus 1 is 8. So your answer is 8. Hope this session was really helpful. So if you like this, please don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. And hopefully we'll be coming back with another session with another set of questions. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.